Today I'm doing a review of the DJI Mini 3 Pro. Opening it up, we have the controller, batteries, and the drone itself. This controller is one of the options you can choose. The second option is the older controller that has the attachment with the phone. This one is a little more expensive, but it is worth it. I'm using the regular drone that did not come with a controller. It just came with this and this battery. But I also got the Flymore kit with the bag, this controller, the port, these two batteries. It also came with a charger. This is a 31-minute battery, so it doesn't last that long compared to the other ones. These have 46-minute batteries, I think. To figure out the battery life on these, just the power button right here. The drone itself has the gimbal cover. The gimbal itself, this came with these for if it's sunny outside. The Flymore kit also came with extra propellers, a screwdriver, and screws. This is what the drone looks like when it's unfolded. When folded up, this is its size compared to an average pencil. For a small drone, it has an amazing resolution. It also has obstacle avoidance sensors in the front, the back, and the bottom. To figure out the battery life, if you have a battery in here, you just press this button and it will give you the battery life. To turn on the drone and this controller, you press the on button and then hold it down. This controller has two different options that you can fly the drones with. This is one drone that you can choose from. The other drone is the Mavic 3. To turn them off, you just do the same thing you did to turn it on. On the back, you have two holes. You can unscrew these and put them in the back of your controller. The controller has three speed modes. Sport, normal, and slow. And back here you have a port for the charger. If you wanted to just charge it individually, you could also charge it from the back. And this slot here, let's see if I can get it, is the SD card. Like I said, this is a good drone for the price and size. It does not need to be registered because its weight is just below the 250 grams. I hope you enjoyed the video.